Yeah, I ate that one. It's bitter. I thought it was kind of like squid ink in you. Long term ako hindi kikal. I thought that the part that is see the black underneath the eggs. I thought that's the one, and then I chewed it. No, the other side. See the black over here? Because he was stuck to the shell that was left behind. The one that breaks. Ako man nimre dong lutong irang ari kay koran. Part try nga luma. Mawa. Ito kasi aging butter knife le ko, send le ko kami ako mola no blito.